Stocks are higher this morning on a tech rebound. As I speak to you right now, the nasdaq is up 1.5%. The S&P up 0.9%. The Dow 0.3%. The Russell is actually down 0.25%. Nvidia is rebounding, moving higher, but the real story is Google rising, with a story from Bloomberg that Apple and Google are negotiating Google's Gemini AI incorporation into Apple devices. This would happen if it were to actually become a deal with Apple's iOS 18 update that is due out sometime in the future. Right now, Apple is up 2.3%, Nvidia almost 4%, but Google up over 6%, as they would have the strong position if this were to actually become a deal. Commodities are rallying with the dollar flat and rates just a little bit above flat. We've got the 2-year up 1 basis point, the 5-year up a basis point, the 10-year as well, and the 30-year as well. 10-year, however, at 432, the highest level that's been at since about February 22nd. Overall, commodities are rallying. Crude is up 0.8%, copper is up 0.75%, gold and silver just above the flat line. Natural gas is up 4% as I speak to you right now. Today, we got the NVIDIA AI conference. They're supposed to be releasing news about some of their new AI chips. That's probably what NVIDIA is rallying on right now. So we're going to keep an eye on headlines out of there. Earnings after the close today, not a lot to talk about. But in terms of data tonight, Bank of Japan and the Reserve Bank of Australia rate decisions happen tonight. Remember, this is a pretty big central bank week. In terms of data tomorrow, EU and German CEW economic sentiment indexes, Canadian inflation, and U.S. housing starts and building permits all tomorrow.